It's cute. It's like, I'm very scared. No. It's like, I kissed a girl and I liked it.
Yeah.
Aw.
I kiss a girl and I like it.
Two silver cherry chopsticks.
I hope you don't mind.
We need a selfie stick. Someone buy us a
I
selfie
know.
stick. Someone buy us a So cute.
Yeah. Okay, you dancing then. Oh, hot girl. Yeah, look at that girl, Abby. Yeah, do some sexy move. Come on, come on. Do something sexy move. Yeah. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, hello.
Say something.
Say something.
Maybe say
Hello?
something erotic and make us guys come to get a massage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Hello, hello. Come get a massage from the beautiful queen. We love to make you feel good.
Are you good? I give you a massage.
Very good.
How good?
Very touch, very sensual.
Look at you.
Yo.
Do you massage girl as well?
Yes, very good. These hands are made for walking. No, perfect. Yes.
Continue. Continue.
Is that like a limo, man?
I will make you feel so good.
That sounds sexy.
Oh, thank you.
Where do you work?
At Angel Spa
Oh yeah.
Massage Studios. Come to Angel Spa will make you feel like you are in heaven.
Yeah. Heavenly angels.
Heavenly angels, yes.
Yeah.
There are angels here on earth.
Yes, they
I
are.
swear, just come to the massage spa.
Yes.
You'll find us.
Yeah.
Floating around.
Mhm.
Aw, it's cute.